Hey, this is Brad with Lupton Backflow. We're going to show you how to drain a backflow preventer, but what we want to establish is the idea that it doesn't matter if this is for a swimming pool, hot tub, irrigation system, potentially even containment on your home. They all drain the same way at this point. Hey, this is Brad with Lupton Backflow. I'm going to show you a couple different parts on a backflow preventer. This is a pressure vacuum breaker, and then we're going to show you how to drain it. First thing we're going to show you is the shutoff valve. Whether it be irrigation, swimming pool, or anything else, you're going to have some sort of a shutoff valve that you want to go and find. If it's underground or if it's on the side of the building near a hose bib, I'm going to turn that to the off position. Come in here, find the two test cocks, remove the test cock covers. It's okay if you have plugs, just unscrew them. And you want to get out of the way of that, and you're going to take a slotted screwdriver, put it into the test cock, and turn it a quarter turn. Do the same thing with the lower one. And then, if your backflow preventer has these lower drain valves, simply turn them a quarter turn as well, and let them drain out. While they're draining, you come back up and go ahead and close these test cocks back up. Again, quarter turn. You'll see here a slot. You want that slot to be up and down or perpendicular to the test cock itself. Come back over here to the lower drain valves, close them back up. Everything stays in this position, and we want to make sure that the supply line is left in the off position to keep this drained.